Welcome back. It's art time class. Today we're going to be making a pop-up flower. Let's get started. For this, you're going to need scissors, glue, and some colorful paper. And we're going to be making a flower that looks a little bit like this, where the different layers pop up on the side edges. For this, you're going to need to select a couple different colors. I have 3 layers here, and I have my 3 colors here. And I'm going to make some squares to start. Let's start by lining up the edge right here. I think that's a nice spot to line them up. And then I'm going to fold a triangle, a right angle triangle. That's what I'm trying to make. I'm going to cut that out, and these 2 right angle triangles will help me make my squares. Let's hold this paper to the side because I might need it. Love when I get to use some scraps. All right, keep those scraps to the side. Now that I have my different layers, I'm going to create different fun shapes on the edge. So let's do purple in the background for this one. So I'm going to fold. Here I got point to point. Fold point to point again. And one last time, point to point. And I am keeping track of where the center of the paper is, which is this point down here. Next, you can either draw a zigzag, wiggle, a different shape or something, or you can freehand cut. And you're going to do any kind of design you want. So here's something there. And when I open it up, similar to like how you make snowflakes, I'll see that design all the way around. So there's one. Let's do pink next. This time let's do side to side. So side to side, side to side. Remember, keep track of that center point on your paper. And then one more fold. Let's do point to point for this. All right, and let's do zigzag this time. Okay. Ooh. How fun. This might make like a cool little crown or something. All right, let's open this up. Ooh, pretty, but it's a little too close. I need the layers to be separate from each other a little bit more. Let's fold that back up and just cut a little lower down. There we go. Looks about right. And now let's do one more. Let's do point to point again. Point to point, keeping track of that center point of the paper. And ooh, let's try going down in this direction and back in this direction. Let's try. Let's see what happens. Okay. And then let's see, it needs to be at least down to here. Okay. And then let's open this up. Ooh, pretty. Just like that. Oh, yes. All right, now to glue these together, we're going to do just a dot of glue in the middle, and we're going to smear that around. We want to make sure we're smearing so that the glue is transparent. And then press and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And let's repeat that with our center layer. The smallest layer, this little red one. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And then I do like to go back and kind of pull up the edges. So I'll get a little bit of the shadow showing. I think it adds a lot to it. If you'd like, you can add a little bit of scrap to the center. I think I could put a little heart right there in the center. And actually, that's a really cute idea. I'm going to cut out this heart and put a little heart in the center. Ooh. Or a little pack. Looks like a little Pac-Man too, but it's a little bit heart. Aww. And here's my flowers. Yay! I can't wait to see what you'll create in the art room. Until next time, keep being creative.